Today, we're going to learn about market capitalization and why it's important for understanding the cryptocurrency ecosystem. When it comes to crypto, market capitalization, or market cap, is the value sum of all coins mined for a given cryptocurrency. You can calculate market cap by multiplying the current market price of a single coin by the number of coins currently in circulation. Market cap helps investors understand the broader picture of the crypto ecosystem and compare the values of coins across an exchange. Additionally, it can be a crucial statistic that can help reveal the growth potential a cryptocurrency may achieve. In general, a cryptocurrency with a larger market cap will be more stable over time versus one with a smaller market cap. Think about crypto market caps as being ships at sea. A larger ship is more likely to navigate heavy weather safely, while a smaller ship is in greater danger of sinking should a storm arise. Conversely, cryptos with lower market caps are more vulnerable to market fluctuations, making them more susceptible to dramatic gains and losses. Now you should understand what market capitalization is and how it can be used to inform your crypto future. However, it's always important to consider your own unique financial situation, the stability of a given crypto, and current market trends so you can make the most informed decision. Want to learn more about trading cryptocurrencies? Subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. For more in-depth articles and guides, visit CEX.IO University. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and may the markets trend in your favor.